As a chartered accountant, if you ever thought, I don't want to sound salesy in my practice, I never want to come across as somebody who's trying to sell something just for the sake of it, I hear you. Because as a chartered accountant, हमारा काम होता ही नहीं है सेल करना. हमारा काम होता है to act as a trusted advisor, and sales actually becomes the process, but a sophisticated process in which we are not pushing anything. We are just having a conversation and we are doing the diagnostic so we can recommend a good solution to them. This video is for you if you ever felt, I don't want to sound salesy. मुझे क्लाइंट चाहिए, पैसा भी लेना है बट मुझे वो सेल्स ही नहीं बनना है, मुझे चीप नहीं लगना है। मुझे प्रीमियम तरीके से अपने आप को बेचना है ताकि मैं क्वालिटी क्लाइंट ले पाऊँ, क्वालिटी काम कर पाऊँ और क्वालिटी फीडबैक आए। This video is for you because this video is going to show you how to never sound salesy in your conversation or in your approach. All right, so in this video, we are going to talk about the number one principle that you need to take care of to never sound salesy again as a chartered accountant. Why most CAs hate selling, उसके ऊपर भी हम बात करेंगे. Doctors do not start with the treatment. We are going to talk about that, and you already know. Purpose of a discovery call. We are not going to talk about the hours as well. We are going to talk about how great questions build trust. We are going to talk about diagnose before you prescribe to anybody. We are going to talk about why this approach wins premium clients. ये जो ऊपर सब बताने वाला हूँ मैं उससे कैसे आप प्रीमियम क्लाइंट आएंगे. When I learned this in 2019, I'm going to talk about that because that was the time I transition. I started to learn that there are many things that I need to learn as a chartered accountant. What are the final action points and what is the biggest learning for you? So let's get started with the number one principle. Selling is not convincing. I really want you to take this a note. Selling is not convincing. Relationship selling is diagnosis. हम सेलिंग की बात नहीं करते, हम बात करते हैं रिलेशनशिप सेलिंग जहां पे सोफिस्टिकेटेड तरीके से वी आर डूइंग दिस कॉन्वर्जेशन. A discovery call should feel like a professional consultation with nothing predefined in the mind. आपके दिमाग में ये नहीं है इसको ये बेचूंगा मैं, ना 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 ना. It's all about understanding the client in a deeper way. The goal is to frame the conversation around ROI, not hours worked by you or team. The goal is not about आप कितना काम कर रहे हो, कितने घंटे लगा रहे हो. The entire goal is to frame the entire conversation about सामने वाले को क्या चाहिए और उससे क्या हेल्प मिल सकती है मेरे काम से. That's why people pay a good amount. All right. Now let's go to the next thing, which is why most CAs hate selling. They start listing services, GST, audit, income tax, TDS, ROC, advisory. Then only question left is fees. Sir, कितना लोगे? When the service becomes the conversation, price becomes the comparison because मैंने पुराने वीडियोस में भी बताया, if there is no differentiation of what outcome you can bring, what problem you can solve, and you're just doing what everybody else is doing, providing all the services, listing the services, that's where you feel cheap बिकॉज़ आपको सेल नहीं करना है इस तरीके से. आपको लगता है यार 50,000 का कोड दूँगा, फिर 25 तक आके डन होगा, 30 तक डन होगा, मुझे ये सब नहीं करना है. सोफिस्टिकेटेड तरीके से मुझे आगे बढ़ना है. अवॉइड ऑल these थिंग्स. देन लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन. डॉक्टर्स. कौन से डॉक्टर के पास आप गए हो जो डायरेक्ट ट्रीटमेंट दे देता है? यस, देयर आर सम बट दे आर नॉट सक्सेसफुल. गुड डॉक्टर्स विल फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड गलत क्या हुआ है, उसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है, उसके बाद वो सोल्यूशन रिकमेंड करते हैं. द डिस्कवरी कॉल एग्जैक्टली इज द सेम थिंग. डायग्नोस बिफोर यू प्रिस्क्राइब एनीथिंग. एंड वन सिंगल थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू, if you ever feel the urge to prove you are the authority in your subject by showing how knowledge you have, how much you have acquired over the last few years, please do not do that because if they are sitting with you somewhere, they know you are an expert in a certain subject. You don't need to prove in the discovery call. Many CAs do that, and that is the biggest mistake. नाउ पर्पस क्या होता है डिस्कवरी कॉल का? अंडरस्टैंड द रियल बिजनेस प्रॉब्लम, कि क्या एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम हमारी इस बिजनेस ओनर की. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई द प्रॉब्लम हैज नॉट बीन सॉल्व्ड. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि आपके पास आके ही सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, पहले भी कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई होगी, क्यों सॉल्व नहीं हुई अभी तक. अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इज कॉस्टिंग द क्लाइंट, क्या इंपैक्ट है उसका. It's not always about the tax conversation or the compliance conversation. It's about the deeper level of psychology to really understand what is the problem client has. Understand whether this is the right fit or no. क्लाइंट तो आ जाएगा, पैसा भी दे देगा, बट क्या ऐसे क्लाइंट के साथ आप काम करना भी चाहते हो या नहीं करना चाहते हो? द कॉन्वर्जेशन इज अबाउट द क्लाइंट्स बिजनेस, नॉट योर सर्विसेज। प्लीज रिमेंबर दैट। एंड ये जो मैं बोल्ड एंड हाईलाइट करता हूँ, इसके लिए करता हूँ क्योंकि ये बहुत की इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है। एंड आई सी दिस मिस्टेक्स happening again and again. Now let's move to stop talking about hours, because डिस्कवरी कॉल से रिलेटेड ये पॉइंट मैं यहाँ पे इसके लिए हाईलाइट कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज कई बार चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट डू नॉट नो what they are doing to themselves by talking about efforts, by talking about hours. Clients buy outcome or the solution. Do not explain how many hours the engagement will take और वहां से justify मत करो कि मेरी फीस इतनी क्यों है. Ask what outcome the client wants. Shift the conversation from cost to investment. If you are not able to do that, something is not right in the entire consulting process and you must resolve that. Great question, build trust. What prompted you to explore this now? ये क्वेश्चन आप पूछ सकते हो अपने क्लाइंट से. ऑफ कोर्स एवरीथिंग इज अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट, नॉट एज लाइक सीक्वेंस में मैं पूछ लूंगा. एवरीथिंग एज अ कॉन्टेक्स्ट by going deeper and deeper. What happens if nothing changes over the next year? How is this affecting profitability, working capital, taxes, or whatever you are solving? Why not to continue with your existing CA या फिर टीम मेंबर? बहुत कंपनीज में एग्जिस्टिंग टीम होती है जो सीए होता है, आप उससे क्यों नहीं करवा रहे हो? एग्जिस्टिंग आपका सीए भी तो होगा, वो क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? What is the problem? You really need to go deeper beyond the technical and the tax side of it. This is a very weak point that I see in chartered accountants, but you need to go beyond in order to understand where the client is coming from. What would success look like 6 months from now? What will make you truly happy that I worked with you on this project and I truly feel these are the results that happened to me? Better questions create authority, because the better questions you ask, the more they think about answering each of your question, it increases your perceived authority in their mind and they know this person is somebody. Then we go to the next point, which is diagnose before you prescribe. Do not recommend too early. A big mistake a lot of chartered accountants make is they start to teach so much, they start to explain so much, क्योंकि उन्हें बताना कि यार मैं स्मार्ट हूँ, मेरे पास बहुत नॉलेज है. Don't do that. You are degrading your authority, you are degrading your entire sales process, and you are making client take you on their terms. So do not recommend too early. The presenting problem is not always the real problem. जो आपको क्लाइंट बता रहा है कि भाई ये प्रॉब्लम इसकी वजह से, दैट इज नॉट द रियल प्रॉब्लम. वो सरफेस पे लग रही है हाँ यही प्रॉब्लम है, बट डीपर देयर इज समथिंग एल्स विच यू नीड टू रियली अंडरस्टैंड. लिसन बिफोर एडवाइजिंग. प्लीज लिसन. एक मुंह है दो कान है, इसका मतलब ये डबल यूज होने चाहिए. Understand before suggesting. Professional clarity builds confidence. You don't want to find out that you are wrong because of a wrong assumption you made because आपने दूसरे क्लाइंट में सेम सिनेरियो देखा था. That should not happen. Now, let's go to the next point. Why this approach wins premium clients? Premium clients want to feel understood कि यार ये बंदा मेरे को समझता है deeper level. Premium clients respect clearer thinking. प्रीमियम क्लाइंट रिस्पॉन्ड टू डायग्नोसिस नॉट पिचिंग, बिकॉज खरीदना तो उन्हें है आपसे या किसी और से. द पर्सन हु कैन टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल दिस, दैट पर्सन इज गोइंग टू विन द मैंडेट. प्रीमियम क्लाइंट्स वैल्यू ROI conversations. This approach makes the advisor feel trustworthy because they think of the best interest of the client. क्लाइंट के लिए सबसे अच्छा इसमें क्या है? You need to really talk about that if you truly want to command good pricing with your clients. Now, many times one more problem happens if you have always worked with low quality clients. This might feel कि यार ये मेरे client नहीं करेंगे. My question is, how do you know? Have you ever done a sophisticated sales, a discovery call, a discovery meeting, ask the right questions? Majority people have no idea about it. When I learned this in 2019, the biggest shift happened when you stop trying to explain everything you can do, because ऐसा लगता है ना सेल करने का मतलब जो तुम करते हो सब कुछ बता दो. No, that is the wrong approach. And we never want to do that as a trusted advisor. Becoming curious changes the tone of the conversation. You don't need to sound super expert, super intelligent. No. Your job on that call is to become a trusted advisor by becoming curious, by asking the right questions. Better question lead to better conversation, as I said. Clients stop asking why the fee is higher, they start asking when we can begin. अगर आपके साथ अभी तक नहीं हुआ ये और आपको लगता है "यार, कैसे होता भी है क्या, you are not doing all the above things right and that's why you have never felt this situation." अगर वो आपका सिनेरियो है तो clients say thank you. Of course, in the coaching world, so many people say thank you because उन्हें पता है कि आपने उनकी हेल्प की है एक राइट डिसीजन को करने में, and that is a big thing because many people cannot decide on a few things. They need somebody who can help them make a right decision which is good for them, and if you can serve their need, of course it's good for you as well because you get to then contribute to the solution. So clients say thank you because you help them make a decision that is beneficial. Now, what is the action point? Do not impress client with knowledge alone. Do not try to reach them. Teach them law in the first meeting. बहुत लोग ये गलती करते हैं, बड़े बड़े एक्ट लेके बैठ जाते हैं, and they start to explain ये लॉ है, इस तरह से लिखा हुआ है, इसके लिए ऐसा होना चाहिए. Nobody gives a shit. Clients लॉ पढ़ने नहीं आ रहे हैं आपके पास, वो इसके लिए आ रहे हैं कि भाई इसको क्लियर करके दो इजी शब्दों में मुझे. Do not try to prove that you are the expert. You are the expert. That's why they are coming to you. So do not try to prove जो already proven है. Impress them with understanding, not with the knowledge, technical. क्योंकि टेक्निकल नॉलेज एक आर्टिकल असिस्टेंट जो थर्ड ईयर में होता है ना उसके पास भी अच्छी होती है. एक 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस ये के पास भी होती है और 5 साल के पास भी होती है. यस, उनका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ता जाता है जैसे जैसे नए नए क्लाइंट्स हैंडल करते हैं, डिफिकल्टी मैटर उसमें हैंडल करते हैं. बट that is not your competitive advantage unless you are somebody who has 20-30 years of experience in one simple thing and वहां पे आपको पता है कि nobody can beat me. That is a separate thing, but majority people are not there. Client choose the advisor who understands them the best, not who has more technical knowledge. Never sound salesy again by becoming the diagnostic instead of persuasive. क्योंकि आपको उनको ये नहीं प्रूव करना है कि यार मुझे सब आता है या फिर मैं आपके सारे सॉल्यूशन जानता हूँ. यू आर जस्ट आइडेंटिफाइंग कि ये राइट प्रॉब्लम है, क्यों है, इसका इम्पैक्ट क्या है और उसको मैं कैसे सॉल्व कर सकता हूँ इन द शॉर्टेस्ट पॉसिबल वे, इन द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट वे. दैट इज योर जॉब एज अ बिजनेस ओनर, एज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट फॉर योर ओन क्लाइंट्स. So this is the learning I want you to really note it down. The moment you stop selling service and start diagnosing business problems, clients stop comparing your fees and start valuing your expertise. And this can only happen when you do the diagnosis and when you really care about your client. And this way, you will never sound salesy again as a chartered accountant. This is the entire framework you need to implement. Now, of course, if you are looking for a customized roadmap for yourself, या फिर आपको लगता है कि आई रियली वांट टू वर्क विद समबडी ऑन दिस ताकि मैं अपनी सारी चीजें डिस्कस कर पाऊँ अच्छे से, definitely reach out to me for exploring one-to-one coaching where we can really work on not only this aspect but entire practice growth roadmap. And I have a 5-step proprietary framework that can help you to position differently, become an advisor, how to do diagnostics, and really craft a right offer with the right pricing so you can command premium price with competence. Reach out to me for one-to-one coaching and we can see if you are the right fit to work together. All right, take care, and if you are looking forward to next videos, do let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, feedback, or anything that you would like to share with me, feel free to put in the comment section or email me or WhatsApp me. I've given the number in the description as well. Feel free to move forward in your journey because you are born to thrive. Take care, I'll see you in the next video.